In this video, I'll show you how to connect your DJI Mic 3 transmitter only, without receiver, using Bluetooth to your Android smartphone. Now, before even starting, to not make you lose any time, I need to mention that what I'll show you now, it's pretty limited. What I mean by this is that not many apps will be able to work with this DJI Mic 3. I'll put a screenshot right now I took on DJI website that is showing which apps are actually compatible using your DJI Mic 3 over Bluetooth. So the first step is to put your DJI mic, turn it on, press the red button until it vibrates. And then you're going to press this pairing button right under it during a few seconds until the light on the top blinks green. It blinks, you can remove your finger from that pairing button. Then on your Android smartphone, you're going to go into the settings. Depending which brand you have, you may have to go in connection, then Bluetooth. And your DJI mic should appear in this list over here. Here we go. Tap on it and select pair. Connected for calls. This is normal. And this is about it. Again, you check again the list of all the apps that are compatible and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment, check my Amazon links down below if you want to get the actual receiver or another transmitter, and I'll see you in the next video.